Hogwarts, the bad guy, he wanted to talk to Harry Potter. And the Hogwarts wanted, and the good guy, Hogwarts.
Mm-hmm.
The Hogwarts, the bad guy.
Dumbledore's the good guy, and Voldemort.
Voldemort.
Yep.
Okay. What's the good guy's name again?
Dumbledore.
Dumbledore cited Dumbledore was going to kill
Voldemort?
Voldemort. Dumbledore was going to kill Voldemort.
Voldemort.
Voldemort?
Yep.
Voldemort was going to talk to Harry Potter to, I don't know.
Dumbledore. Yep.
Dumbledore was he was very fat, but Harry Potter liked him, so he decided to stay with him. Well, he worked in his world now. He got his everything. He learned to blame. He learned to fly, and he wanted to do everything what Hogwarts said.
Oh, cool.
And then the last day, Hogwarts and Harry Potter went on their walks. And then Hogwarts is the good guy?
No, Dumbledore's the good guy.
Oh.
Hogwarts is the school.
What?
Hogwarts is the school where Harry Potter goes to school.
Oh.
Dumbledore.
Dumbledore was going to bring Harry Potter to his school, but he thought maybe my teacher is bad.
Oh. Why was he bad?
And Harry Potter said, "Why is he so bad? I think he has that, so people don't see his scary face." So the last day, Harry Potter went back to school to see his friend. This story was the end.
The end. Good.